Hurricane Michael was the third strongest storm to hit the U.S. And there's 53 deaths associated with this storm.
I mean, I'm right outside of the city limits here, and I don't really see any trees blown over or any damage. And then within another mile, you know, it was pretty prevalent. It was a pretty defined threshold of where the damage started, and I mean, it was total devastation from there.
Debris everywhere. I mean, it's just jaw-dropping just to see all the debris that was everywhere.
Trees on houses and roofs blown off, and it was mass destruction.
I think the hardest thing about Hurricane Michael is just driving around and seeing how this place has forever changed, and seeing what people are having to deal with.
As the residents bring all their stuff curbside, our job is to go by and clean the curbside so they got room to put more until they get everything out.
We were open for business 2 days after the storm. To me, it's just a solid proof of the dedication that employees have to this company. They put this business in place of their families and their own losses and came here first. There was a need for basically every service and every product that we sell and support. And then when you see the amount of customers that come to us first and really rely on our partnership with them to help them to enable their fleets and their businesses to go out and help people in this community.
Partnering with Beard and the John Deere team here, I'll have to say, has been excellent. Even though their stuff was demolished here, it's amazing that the support that they have to get everything to the people here working that needs the equipment.
From the 23 people at Beard Equipment that came in here and went to work right away, the hordes of other folks that came here from everywhere, all walks of life, power companies, nonprofits, you name it. They came in here and went right to work, and it meant so much to us because there's so many people here that needed help. It really has restored my faith in humankind.
Hopefully another one of these Hurricane Michaels don't occur, but if it does, we'll be here and be ready to tackle it head on.